and bump, and bump. Good, yes. All right, yeah. That was better. Good job, good job. I felt like your weight was forward, yeah. You also had, that was lovely. That was, I think, the best I've seen you do it. So that was really nice. May I partner you?
Yeah.
Can you just go développé and then the fourth across, yeah? Bon, and then push that, right? So if you're here, what I want is on that go releve. On here, lift up through to go and palm down through. Yeah, so it goes over, but then into the hip. Yeah, that. Yes, that, with keeping that front leg turned out. That right there. Can you feel that sensation?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, boom. And, yeah, no, that's what I did though. That's what I did. Just stay up on top of it a little bit longer. Be careful of how the arm's going. You kind of went, yeah, just let it go with the leg. Yeah, let's try that just one more time. Boom. And yeah, not straight, a little bend. Boom, yeah. Boom. Yep, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I think as long as you have that nice transition, that's really what's going to make that sing, yeah? Let's